Join us at Millbrook this autumn by sowing the seeds of sustainability by planting a fruit tree. If you're a Millbrook family member, we'll also give you a free packet of root grow and a bag of John Innes No. 3 compost, absolutely free, with this tree at the purchase price of £14.99. When planting a fruit tree, firstly dig a hole 2 to 3 times the size of the pot and about a third deeper. Work out where the tree will sit on the line of the border, and then put some soil in the bottom so when you plant it, it's level with the top of the soil. From that, remove the tree from its pot and then slowly just help the roots unwind at the bottom to help it spread and grow. Next, you need to add the root grow. Take your sachet, a nice amount in your hands, and then rub that all in to the roots. This will attach to the roots and put a good bacteria there which will accelerate root growth. So put your tree in the hole and then backfill it with the rest of your John Innes No. 3 compost. And then pack it in nice and firm. Get a little bit of mulch, add that around the top. This will keep it moist and warm through the winter. And then finally, give the tree a good water. Go through the autumn, the weather should look after the tree, but if you did have a particularly dry spell, just check on it a couple of times a week to make sure it's nice and moist. Planting a tree is absolutely great for our environment. Do your bit this autumn, plant a fruit tree and get this amazing deal at Millbrook, all for £14.99.